Alright guys, so today before I put everything together, I was trying to swap this odometer from a 2010 to this odometer, which is my 2006. On the back, the connectors are all the same, but the pins are not. So if you do the mistake that I did, you're gonna blow a fuse that's gonna lock this right here. You won't be able to shift like I'm shifting now. I had a burnt fuse. I had to take it apart, and it was this fuse right here, a number 10 fuse right there. So don't try it unless you figure out what pin is for what, because then you will get a short. Not only will this not work, also your brake lights will be gone. So remember, if you do that and your shifter is locked, it's because you blew a fuse. So good luck, and remember, always look things up before you go do anything.